Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A beautiful white DC2 with, yes, a K-swap. So it's our mandate today to do an ECU exchange and then tune it. I think this is going to be fun. It's always good to see a K-swap. Makes my day, but an Integra, even better. Okay, here we go. Let's put it through her paces, do some runs, do some tuning, make some noise. DC2 K-swap sounds immense.
Yeah, sounds good. It's a nice little car.
It is. It is a nice car. That's
Well,
about it.
That's about it. Yeah, is that it? Yeah, it's one of those. It's obviously been K-swapped. It's got some sort of like minimal mods on there, really, I would put. It's got quite a small exhaust on there, just like a spoon rep type deal looking thing. It's got a small induction kit on there. It's functional. It's in and it's running is the point I'm going to, or the sort of way I'm going to describe it here. So realistically, sort of around the 230 mark is exactly what I'd expect to make. We made 232. So I think we made exactly what I would expect to make from it. It did have a little bit of a noise on the wheel on the driver's side, so we sort of investigated and noticed that one of the bolts for the carriers was missing on the bottom. So we'll certainly pass that information on to the customer in a moment.
Yes, we will.
Yeah, it's sort of like we were I'll carry on and do a few more pulls, and then when I saw that, I was like, yeah, okay,
maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not. We'll call it there at that.
Do you want to look at the graph?
Yeah, let's have a look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph.
So there we go. Now the car came in on an ECU that had an unknown map on it. We weren't happy to run it like that, so we just started afresh. So that's why we've got an end result here. on this occasion, red line as she leaves. But there we go. That's what the graph looks like. We finish on 232. Great stuff. Customer required a little top up of oil this morning before we started. You've always got to check your oil on a K20, on any Honda, on any car, let's be honest. And if you do need oil, then you can check out our sponsor, worldoflubricant.co.uk. Use the code Dyno, save yourself a load of money. They've got quality oils. 5W40 Molygen is my oil of choice now. But there we go. Another one in the bag. Another awesome Honda tuned. So thanks for sticking around. We'll see you on the next one. Won't we, Rich? I think he's in the toilet.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.